Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2023 Ford Ranger. This particular Ranger is an XLT model and it's finished in Oxford white. Now we're going to take a quick walk around the outside of this particular Ranger, then we'll look into the interior. But we'll first start with the front end here, where this Ranger is equipped with the Sport package. So that includes the gray painted bumper, and we also get the gray accent in the grille there. In my opinion, it's a very good look for the Ranger, and it's also equipped is the FX4 off-road package. So Ford does include this nice aluminum finish here with the skid plate, and we do have full underbody skid plate protection with the FX4 off-road package. So nice aggressive look here. Also equipped is the technology package. So we actually have front parking sensors that run along the bottom of the bumper, and this is actually the adaptive cruise control sensor. So we have adaptive cruise control, which is also part of the technology package. We'll come out to the side here. Also with a sport package, we get these 17-inch gray painted aluminum wheels, and that's wrapped in an LT 265/65 all-terrain tire. Now this Ranger is fitted with a 2-inch leveling kit, which does raise the front end just a little bit, just kind of make it even with the rear. So that is fitted to this particular Ranger here. There's the XLT badge there on the side. And the mirrors do include the blind spot indicator in the top corner. It's a Super Crew model, so it's the full four-door with the 5-foot bed. And there's your FX4 off-road sticker on the side of the box. Nice LED design here with the taillight. Now we'll come around to the back end. Have the gray rear bumper, which is part of that sport package, and it also includes the rear parking sensors, class 4 hitch receiver with 4 and 7 pin connections. The Ranger is rated up to 7,500 pounds, so a nice healthy towing limit or capacity for the Ranger. Open up the tailgate here. Do have a spray-in bed liner, and also the Ford soft tri-fold tonneau cover is included with this Ranger as well. So you have some security and privacy. It also helps with aerodynamics as well with the tonneau cover. In addition to that, we have lots of additional tie-down points in the bed as well. But now we'll take a look into the interior of this Ranger. Now with the XLT, we have these nice black cloth seats, which do have some partial power adjustments, includes two-way lumbar, and they're heated as well for both driver and passenger. So they're very comfortable, very good condition. This Ranger only has 7,000 kilometers on it, so it's very low mileage. So again, everything's in fantastic shape. It includes the seats. Take a look at the door panel. Nice leather here on the armrest. All your power windows, controls, your locks, and then the power mirrors are right over here. Automatic headlights. We also have bed lighting right there. Now we'll hop inside and we'll take a look at the key fob. Now this is a switchblade key, and it includes the remote start system. But powering this Ranger is the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, which is rated for 270 horsepower and 310 foot-pounds of torque. So it's a nice, powerful, fuel-efficient engine, and it's paired to the 10-speed automatic transmission. And all Rangers in Canada are four-wheel drive, which includes this one. But we'll move on to this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left side, you have controls for the center gauge cluster screen right there, and part of the technology package, we do have adaptive cruise control. So there's the controls for that. And on the right side, we have some media controls. In the middle, this is where you'll find the Sync 3 8-inch display. Go into audio here. This includes Sirius XM satellite radio and also Bluetooth. So you can hook up your phone, you can play music, everything like that with this screen here. You have your climate control system, built-in navigation. We have various apps like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Various different settings in there. Moving down, this is the climate control system. So these are the physical buttons for it. So you actually have either access through the screen or physical buttons down here. So for whichever you prefer, we have again the heated seat controls, max rear defrost, which also works for the heated mirrors, two 12-volt connectors, and USB so we can keep everything charged up. And a little further down, this is where you'll find the locking rear differential as well as trail control. So those are a part of the FX4 off-road package. So we have those. You have tow haul mode. You can turn off and on parking sensors. Lots of controls there. And then again, four-wheel drive is standard across Ranger for Canada models, 4 high and 4 low. And then that little TM in the middle, that is actually the terrain modes. So you can actually cycle through various different drive modes, and it will kind of change the way the Ranger behaves for each particular one. 10-speed automatic does include select shift. You actually have manual shifter here on the side, so if you happen to be towing or off-roading, or in a case where you might need that, you have that availability with the 10-speed automatic. Nice manual parking brake, which is leather wrapped. Also a nice spacious glove box as well. And we'll take a look into the rear seat of the Ranger. Again, this is the Super Crew, so this is the largest and definitely the most popular cab for the Ranger. But again, just like the front, you have the black cloth seats back here. Very, very comfortable, and we even have a center armrest, which you can flip down to access some cup holders. And in addition to that, these seats also do lift up. So we have a tab right here that we can use to actually lift the seat up. And then just stay up by itself there. You have some additional under-seat storage, so you can keep some valuables hidden away. And the back of the seat also lifts. We have a little pull tab right there that you can actually use to fold the backrest down. So you have some additional kind of hidden storage back there as well. 150 watt inverter outlet and 2 more USB, so we can keep everything charged up, no problem at all. And again, being the Super Crew model, we have lots of space back here. So if you're interested in this particular 2023 Ranger, it is for sale here at MacPhee Ford. You can give us a call or visit us at macpheeford.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.